subscriber milestone you've been looking for. Seriously, if you've been grinding and straining at a flatline subscriber count, your struggle ends today. This is how I got from 0 subscribers, from this to this, using this method. I didn't just stumble into it. I tested it, refined it, and it works flawlessly. This is how people I also taught got from this to this, from this to this, from this to this. Regular creator just like you and I getting real results in record time. If you're facing this exact problem, make sure you watch this video. Do not click away. Do not skip a single second because everything changed right from here. Here is how you can get that 1K in less than 2 days. Yes, I said 2 days. It sounds crazy, I know. You probably be told it takes months or even years to hit that monetization threshold. But I'm telling you, if you follow the exact blueprint, 48 hours is all it takes. If you're still watching this video, there's no way you're going to miss out in getting that 1K subscriber mark. By staying here, you're proving that you're serious about your growth, you have the dedication, and now you're getting the exact tools you need. Let's break down these two powerful pillars of strategy. Pillar number one is leverage, and pillar number two is pure consistency. Let's start with leverage because this is the secret weapon a lot of small channel completely ignores. Collaboration is the answer. YouTube collaboration is always the answer. You get massive subscribers doing that. When you team up with a creator that is already in your niche, you instantly tap into established audience that already loves your type of content. It's a massive shortcut. It bridges the gap between being completely invincible and getting hundreds of eyes on your channel overnight. So collaboration is the answer. But wait, there's a massive catch you need to look out for. Doing collaboration will get you that 1K subscribers, but it can be risky because it might affect your monetization stability. Let's talk real for a second. And I said it, yes, collaboration will not give you monetization. Why? Because while people click that subscribe button out of loyalty to the creator you partner with, they might not stay to watch your long form video. If your watch hour does not match your subscriber count or your audience isn't perfectly aligned, your monetization status can be hit. You will have the numbers, but you don't have the active foundation viewers. That's why collaboration alone is not enough. To fix that, you need pillar number two, raw volume. Posting 3 short or 3 to 4 short daily will give you that 1K subscriber milestone you're looking for. Let me repeat that because it's the entire engine to all this strategy that I'm giving to you. Posting 3 to 4 short daily will give you that 1K milestone. Short are favored by the algorithm right now. They push you out to thousands of cold viewers completely for free. So posting 3 to 4 short daily will give you that 1K subscribers you're looking for. Now I know you're thinking, Adriel, how am I supposed to be posting so much without burning out? Here's the secret to automating your success. If you're worrying you might forget to post, just schedule 3 to 4 shorts ahead of time. Take one afternoon, batch create your content, upload them to YouTube Studio and set the timer. Let the algorithm do the heavy lifting of posting them at the scheduled time and all that. But if you want fast 1K subscribers, just watch my first video from 0 to 1K subscribers. You'll get your 1K subscribers in 24 hours. I will show you some channels you can collaborate with to get your 1K subscribers. Use this channel, use this channel, use this channel, and use this channel. And for those of you that are into faceless channel, you can use teddy bears, you can use any other things that are faceless since the camera needs to be on to get your 1K subscribers. I wish you all the best and good luck And don't forget to join my community. The link is in my on my bio. And see you in my next video.